What you think? What you think, Efrain? He's going on YouTube. Osami, we're gonna try the haircut for the bike. Huh? Osami cuts. What? What you think? What you think?
All good.
It's all good.
No prende, güey. No prende. Toda la parte de ahí, güey.
That way you have to learn how to put the oil and everything like that. Come on, man.
You're a distant, bro. Not that way. You don't know.
I know, I was gonna say, man. How long have you been working construction for?
Since I was a kid with my dad.
2000 what?
Since I was like a kid.
Oh.
Like a few years ago. You okay?
Huh? What?
Nah,
this one. That's the one, yeah.
La cocina,
No.
por eso. Está, güey.
You're gonna fly with this.
Ah, es esta. So what's the fastest it goes?
This one?
45?
45, yeah. It's not fast though, nigga. You think that's just
Yeah,
slow? Yeah, but watch
like
it when you're riding. That's when you're gonna feel like you're going like 70. Like push this one over there and then I'm gonna pull it over there. That's fast. Especially if you imagine you fall going 45. Shit. You guys got helmets or not? Nah.
I'm a rock. You back there?
Yeah, back in the day. How old are you?
18.
18? I was 16 right there. Or 16 or 17?
It's right here. Seems.
Oh, in the front, right there. Back in the day when I was still young. I used to have.
So what camera is that?
Camera? It's a GoPro.
And you be going fishing?
Yeah. You gotta go fishing too or not?
Yeah, we went one time. We caught giant shit.
Huh?
We caught giant shit.
Nah, it's fun though. You just gotta find like a good spot and then take a couple beers so you can get it.
Wait, those are not catching.
Put the flash on, I can't see shit. Damn, this you or something?
Hell yeah.
You? Where you coming from?
Palm Springs.
Palm
North.
Springs? Here, let me see the flashlight so I could show the paint.
The north, all the way to Compton.
You said what? Shout out them, shout out Efrain and Osami.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna trade a haircut for this one. Huh?
Haircut for a bike.
$2,000 haircut. Hit him up. He just cut Justin Bieber's hair, Kanye West.